Hello friends, welcome to my channel BPS Diary. Today we'll do unboxing and review of Digitex Gorilla Tripod. Let's see what is inside and whether this is budget friendly or not. Friends, we'll open this packet. Actually this particular tripod I have already used. I like the product, that's why I am doing the unboxing again. Already it is open. Let me bring out the packet from inside. This one is the Digitex lightweight DV tripod. The model number is DTR260GT. Okay, this packet is already consisting of mobile phone holder and Bluetooth remote. Okay, what else? The specification is showing maximum load it can carry up to 1 kg. So you can put a lightweight DSLR or a smartphone will be the best fit for this. Maximum height it can go to 240 mm, 24 cm, that means the height can be folded. Let me tell you one thing, it is we call it Gorilla tripod only because it is very flexible, it can be given any shape, so it is very easy to shoot outdoor or indoor as well. The weight is 0.149 kg, means 149 gram. Okay, and the material is plastic, you can see. Okay, let's open. We'll see what are things included in the packet. Okay, first this one is, I think, mobile phone holder. It can hold your smartphone. Okay, along with that, this is the Bluetooth remote they have given. So you can use this for Android phones as well as iOS, Apple phones. So this, okay, first let me show you. There is a button for on and off. You can see the Bluetooth is on now. You can pair it to your smartphone. Let's keep it aside. Sorry. So this is the mobile phone holder. This is very hard plastic and this spring given is very tight, so it is very good, and you can see rubber cushions also been provided, so it will be a very good product to hold your smartphone over this tripod. I'll open this. Okay, here comes the tripod. So this one is the Digitex tripod. The design is Gorilla design and looks is very nice. You can see you can give any shape to this particular tri-stands. Okay, and you can just combine them and you can do your outdoor shoot or indoor shoot. The only thing is that the length is very less, 24 cm. It's good. Okay, there is one clip given. You can just unmount this stuff from here. This one is overhead mount. You can insert it again. Okay, now we'll first mount this smartphone holder. Yeah, one more good thing is that there is one groove, you can see it's given. You can insert other microphone modules over there. You can just fix it. Okay, now it's fine. You can see this is very sturdy. You can just put it here in any shape. Okay, and do the outdoor shooting. Okay, I'll put my smartphone and see how it is working. And this Bluetooth remote is an added advantage to particular tripod. We'll see how it functions. Okay, now we'll fix the mic smartphone to this device. Let's see. Okay, it's very easily fitted. Now I'll just switch it on. You can see the loop. You just hold it. It's very sturdy, and this particular smartphone holder is very sturdy, and the plastic material also good. Okay, you can have outdoor selfie or outdoor shoot, and this is very handy. Not too long, that's why very handy. Now we'll use the Bluetooth feature. This is now connected. Then we go to the camera apps again. Okay, now the photo is taken. So this is very handy. You can see this is very handy. So friends, this is all about the particular lightweight Digitech tripod. You can have this from Amazon. I have taken from Amazon. I will give you the link here. I will give you the link so that you can procure from there. I have taken it with 349 rupees. Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. This is my first vlog, so thank you so much.